You remember her from last week?
Yes.
Yes. You've been her favorite for 11 years. You've been years. She's
terrifying.
She loves you to death.
I love it. I've been around a minute, right? Long time. I know you can talk and say hello and stuff.
She's shy. She's shaking.
Here, I'll pop down, I'll take a picture.
Florida, which is about 2 hours away from us, and she wanted to go so bad, but a little much to go that far, and then she said she'd rather go to the beach, so that's where we're going. I think we're going to go try to go get something to eat. My husband put in some kind of restaurant. It's called The Breaker or Breaker, whatever, so I guess we're going to go eat there and go to the beach for a little while, so we'll see y'all when we get down to the beach. Look at these hats. Let me say Attenbury.
They got a pin one.
Yeah, look, they even got the tail. Those are cute. Look at all of them. Oh, they got a paint. That's pretty. Hurry up, we're here. We're just waiting to get down onto the beach. We're in line right now. We're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars behind. Wait to drive down here. Day pass or an annual?
Day.
$20.
Can we go north?
Yeah, you can go.
Okay. I know they got the north beach closed up there, the ramp. I didn't know if we had to go south or...
You can go left or right,
Okay.
either way.
All right, thank you.
Lights on, windows down, no texting. Lights on, windows down, no texting. So here y'all. Driving down. Oh, it looks so nice. Oh, they are so bad. I'd say the first one you find, get it. I think he's wanting to go on down north. That's pretty. So yeah, we're gonna ride down through here and see if we can find a parking spot. See all the cars down here. Yeah, I won't be swimming. You gonna be swimming, Bree? They got a few shells. So pretty out here, huh? Oh yeah, the more you get in, it's cold, it's cold. They got some shells. We are coming up on something. What is it? What is it? Yeah, they ain't alive on it. Look at that, y'all. got so many shells. I can't find no unique ones. What?
That's the ultimate beach mobile.
Ultimate Beastmobile. That red truck.
Got a generator on the front,
That's a really
electric
like
bike on the front. I mean, a generator on the back, electric bike on the front.
I'm talking about that red truck right there, y'all.
Stuff on the
They
inside.
got a generator and everything on there. Yeah, you got a bucket. I don't know if there's anything in it.
Some kids are just playing with it.
All I'm seeing is some little bitty tiny things that grow up under the sand.
It's really nice out.
It's actually
like
beautiful.
perfect.
Perfect weather.
I know.
Still too cold to get in.
If only the water was warm.
Yeah. We had time to warm up yet.
That's kind of cool.
It'd be cool to find like a shark too. One thing we've not found yet is a shark too. That'd be very rare to find. You don't ever hardly ever see the sharky teeth, huh? Watch them leave. Is that a... No, that's food. Stepped on the beard. Oh, it's made Drew right there. Hopscotch thing. Oh, that's a big shell. Ain't nothing spiked.
Could possibly be.
I do. Do what? I think it's half, yeah, about a quarter. About a quarter up sandbar. Oh, now it's not too, I mean, it's food. You can get used to it. About like the food. Ain't it gonna? I want me some seashell. It ain't like I got a whole big bucket of them on the back of my toilet at home, huh? But I ain't like I got a big thing of them on my toilet at home. Shells that I collected. We got huge, big, cute, actual sandbars. We've gotten. And I got a piece of coral and it's as orange as orange could be.
So water is so clear.
Yeah, it's New Smyrna. That's what I told Daddy. New Smyrna is where the water's really clear.
Very cold.
Ooh, that was cold. Woo. Daddy said, ooh, that's cold. What is your favorite thing to do at the beach when you come? Is it to walk up and down the shoreline? See if you can find anything pretty cool, like shells, stuff like that. Relax and let your kids play. What is it? Bro, we're gonna turn back around. Came down pretty forward. We never did go eat. I guess we'll eat after.
I kind of want a sandwich.
Yeah, I brought sandwiches and some fruit, stuff like that.
Sandwich fruit chips. That sounds really good right now.
See, they got one of them tents.
What if it's
It's
not
always
windy?
windy at the beach. That tent
Still.
kind of decent. We just seen them. We thought they were pretty cool.
That little baby bad boy back there. Bro's just bad one on it.
Yeah. Oh, we can?
Yeah. Oh.
We're fixing to walk up here to some of the stores. Let's see what all they might have. All these big old trucks come through. Like our, it's the way to do it. I like our Ram. I like our Ram a lot. It's a little right. 30. Black Widow. That's the Black Widow truck. It's the one I want. Here up here where all the stores are. Yeah,
It's not safe at
fall
all.
down in that.
Wait. I'm sick, gang! What do I do? Guys, quickly, try clicking the subscribe button before I sink!
We will never use the boat.
Talking about getting a boat, y'all.
No.
Never use all bathroom. We get it.
Oh, it's cool. Never use it.
I can't be quick. We got wet. So why do they let us stay down here then? Okay, do we need to leave? No. Stay long enough, I have to pull somebody out.
Like a quick $100.
And people all the way out.
What is he taking her? Telling everybody to leave? Is that what he's doing? They're picking up and leaving the food trucks.
The other time's coming in.
We need to leave then. I reckon we should have brought your four-wheeler. Big Tower. You mad we didn't bring it? I didn't think about it.
I was thinking about it, but then
Watch. I'm backing up.
Backing up in here.
Water temp, 73 degrees. Yeah, we're gonna have to leave. Everybody's leaving.
I think you can only park on the beach as long as the tide isn't too.
Random finds. What did we find?
Is that a pair of
What did we find? What did we find? Somebody's shorts. Somebody's left off into the ocean. They gone.
Somebody walked out of here with one less
That's a big
piece of
rock.
clothing.
I didn't find no pretty shells today. Everybody's leaving and we're just sitting here. We're gonna get stuck, y'all. The tides came in.
No, we got a truck. We'll be fine.
Another random find.
A piece of apple.
What did we find? Well, it's a eating apple. Easy peanut, right, Shauna? Let's go. No, it's not too bad. I how far we're gonna walk, so we can't say. We got to go.
Ow!
There's quite a few bigger shells than.
Oh, that was pretty.
That's just regular rock.
Well,
well,
still pretty.
all the little things. Yeah, I got one like that.
You got one of everything. I don't think you're gonna find anything new.
I
Like,
don't either. What is that? Piece of orange?
We even have a
All
whole,
kinds of random
3 whole
finds.
sand dollars at least. What is that? Just coral? It's not a rock.
Y'all are eating Moobry.
Yeah, that's not a base of coral. Like the
Big fancy.
little baby's loving that water.
Kiddos. Diddle. See, the tide's not down here, up here this bad, up this way. Oh, cool.
Oh, and then a dolphin.
I thought those were cool. Look at theirs. Y'all, somebody made some.
I should have said yes, but no. I should have been like, yes, my masterpiece.
Oh my God, these are gorgeous.
Definitely not.
Yeah, you should have owned it.
These are absolutely
I think
gorgeous,
this one's
people.
a shark, but there's no shark fin on it.
Yeah.
Little shark fin. But I
Look
guess
at those
it's really hard.
turtles. This is awesome. And then the dolphins. It's all of them together. Somebody's extremely talented. Yep. It is 5:14. Y'all about ready to walk back down? See how far it is up to the talking about the undertow, if y'all can see it. How strong it is. Gotta be careful, that undertow will take you down and you won't be coming back up. I think this is about ready to wrap up the day. I know, I can't get it. Look at them all coming up. Look at them. There you go, bye-bye. Now watch. Hold on, watch. Watch. Look at it all come back out. Yeah, this is so neat. I see them moving. There's more coming right here. Tide's coming up. They're all over the place, y'all. Moving all over. Oh Lord, that's all kinds of them. What exactly are these called? Do you know? Little clams or something? I don't know what they're called. See, completely gone. Watch walking down through here. I think they all start coming back out. Foggy it is down there. That's where the sand's been roughed up in these cars, throwing it up or from the wind, from the cars, whatever it may be. I feel like these waves are gonna knock me over. Bree, do you feel like the waves gonna knock you over? Huh? Feel like the waves gonna knock you over? I don't know. Right here at the church. I don't want to go home, but we got to, guys. Oh, there's my salesman here. Oh, it's too tight. Well, they were playing football. We got professionals down here taking pictures.
It's not Sasha Banks.
Daddy said Sasha Banks. It's not Sasha Banks.
She's very pretty.